The show was supposed to go out, the first episode was to go out on the 27th of October, which is a Sunday. The Monday previous to that, 21st, I went in and found Cillian in his pit dead. He played a football match on the Sunday, so I went out and I seen him play, and he was fine. He come out of the match that day and he was in great humour all that day. He come home, went out, done his day-to-day thing, and then went to bed then on Sunday night, and like everything was just completely normal. There was no there was nothing to say what was going to happen during the night. I woke up then to wake him for school. I went in to the round to wake him for school, and I called him, and what I done was I went in, I called, it says Cillian, and I went in and I turned on the shower, because I said I'd have a shower before, because he'd always couldn't get into the shower before you. And I knocked on the shower and I said, he's still not up. So I went back and I said, Cilly. And I just seen him in the bed. I just bent over to make sure him was shaking. And I was just screaming for Paula. And Paula came in and she just looked in the door, and it's like as if she knew the way I shouted for her to come in, the way she knew that something wasn't right.